Hey guys, this is a quick video on removing the Nike swoosh. The easiest way to start this is by kind of tugging at the very top and then slowly cutting that top portion. Also making sure to be careful not to cut the shoe.
Horizon got that sauce, boy.
Once you get to the very end, you're going to want to cut at the angle of the back tab to remove the swoosh fully.
Horizon got that sauce, boy.
Now I'm using tweezers to get rid of the excess strands. Once you're done with the tweezers, then you want to burn any strands that you couldn't get off with the tweezers. The last step is to use some acetone to remove the factory finish.